Okay, so this is day 2 after the repair that I had done to the muffler, or exhaust. The exhaust work I had done to the muffler. Anyways, this is day 2. All day yesterday, all day and all night. Recall, I was out on my porch till about 5 a.m. this morning. But all day yesterday and all night, they complained about my car not being in the same headspace anymore. They complained about it no longer having a noise. Next thing I know, I get in it and started today and it has a noise again. I get in it and started and it has a noise. Still associated with the exhaust, so it's getting some they made it start, it's getting like a tremble and a rattle. It's making like a little rattling noise, and it's not the work that was just done. None of that stuff has come unfixed or loose. So I mean, I feel like they're applying the effect. Maybe, they made it up. Of course they made it up, but I feel like they might be applying the effect. Cheeseburgers. They said I told them that I was going to have cheeseburgers for the dogs when I came through here the next time. Oh no. So the 4 or 5 that are normally out back there, look at this. This is a brand new iPhone. And all day, they've been making sure the videos that I made didn't come in clearly. Does your iPhone 14 do this? It's not a Pro. I'd say iPhone 14. Hell-bent on trying to get me. So this is what they're doing. Every time I turn my AC on, they'll heat my engine up, and if the hood of the vehicle will be hot to touch. They are trying to get me to leave my car AC off and just look. They've been making me sweaty all fucking day with the AC running. That's how serious whatever in the fuck they got riding on this is. And that's why my windshield is always dirty. I have long trips. None of my commute is 10 minutes. It's not 20. Big huge ass fucking bus smashed right into the windshield all the time. I clean it off and it happens again right away. I just washed this car 3 days ago and had to try to scrape all the damn bugs off. The front of the car still has bug residue, like traces of bugs, tons and tons of bugs, because I couldn't get it all off at the car wash. you're not hearing any of that stuff with the muffler or exhausting. The Benz is taking off like a Benz should. Like you can feel the engineering in the pedal now. But there is still something like it is so much. They put so much dark matter on this vehicle. I'm not getting the resistance in the pedal. Before I had to push the pedal, and it was acting like it still didn't want to pick up and go. This is after I just it's a car show that they're having at 8 every day. It's a car show. And I caught the Confederate flag display at the end of it. All day they've been attacking my AC. They're still attacking it right now. And the worst part about it is when they get off and they're making a mockery of being sitting on this stuff and being in front of it, acting like they're standing in front of it, acting like they have their feet over it, acting like they're doing all kinds of things to block it. But when they move, when they unattach whatever they've attached, you can actually hear the vent open right up. Getting that 45-mile-an-hour range, and as soon as you hit the corner of my house, it turns into 25. Oh, well, as soon as you hit their spot, it turns into 25. Oh, look, the bitch put his semi-truck out there. He had been hiding to attack my vehicle. They broke that brand new trimmer yesterday to keep me from mowing my grass. Ain't that crazy? They gonna pay for it this time. Ain't nobody getting away with that shit. And they thought I was gonna return it today and come back with one. You got me fucked up.